Hello everyone and welcome to Ira Tutorials. I'm Aarti Naik and today we are going to see Subject English 9th Standard Unit 3 3.1 poem Silver. Silver. Let us start with the poem. Slowly silently now the moon walks the night in her silver shoon. Here poet wants to say that moon is moving very slowly in the sky and that moving is compared with the walking of the moon in the night and in her silver shoon, that means wearing silver shoes. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. So here you can see during moonlight everything you can see in the silver shining. So in the same way poet want to say that moon is looking here and there in this way and that way carefully and sees silver fruits upon the silver trees. That means tree is also converted into silver color and fruits are also in silver color. Now this is the imagination of the poet. One by one the casements catch. That means one by one the window beneath the grass roof catch her rays. That means you might have seen that many of the time moon rays are coming inside the room. So from glass, that means from window, moon rays are coming into the house. Her beneath bends the silvery thread. That means the grass roof is there. From grass roof also sometimes moon rays are coming in the house. So it looks very beautiful. The next, couched in his kennel like a log with paws of silver sleeps the dog. That means the dog is lying in his kennel like a log of wood. That means dog is sleeping very peacefully, very soundly. The dog is sleeping, and as the dog is not doing any movement, it looks like a log of wood. From their shadowy coat, the white breast peep of doves in silver feathers sleep. That means the doves are asleep, the silver moonlight reflect of their white chest. Now here, doves are sleeping, but the moon ray is falling on them and it looks very beautiful. A harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claws and silver eyes. That means a harvest mouse goes running by taking small steps. Its claws and eyes too reflect the silver light. That means in silver light of the moon they are looking, they are reflecting the silver eyes in the night. And moonless fish in the water gleam. That means in water at the night time fish are motionless. So this fish shines in the water of the silvery stream near the silver reeds. That means in water also because of moonlight we can see the water, what is there inside. So motionless fish you can see. That means fish also sleeps during night and means their motion is stopped. They stop the movement, and that scenario you can see, that beautiful scene you can see only during the moonlight. That is all about the poem. Now let us see English workshop. If you were asked to draw a detailed picture of scene described in the poem, what object, animal, natural features, etc. will you show in the picture? Make a list. Now in this poem already there is a list. In list you can see dog is there, dove is there, mouse is there, then moon is there, and along with that in this list do you want to add anything? Do you want to show fish is also there, so do you want to add any object or animal or natural features in this list? You can add your own, you can add anything, you can add cat also, you can add door also, you can add swings also, then natural features, you can add flower tree also. Like that you can describe these different things in your own way. Now write the rhyming word and the rhyme scheme of the poem. So rhyme word, let us see. Moon, shoon, moon, shoon, sees, trees, catch, thatch, log, dog, peep, slip, by, eye, gleam, stream are the rhyming words. And rhyme scheme you can see here: AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, FF, GG. Okay, that is the rhyme scheme of the poem. Now, underline the word silver and silvery in the poem. In which line does it occur? What pattern does it show? So it shows what it shows. See here, silver, here silver. This you have to underline, this you have to underline, this you have to underline. What it shows? It shows the repetition of the word to emphasize the scene clearly to you. Here also silvery, that means a roof which is in silver color. Silver sleeps the dogs. Paws of silver, that means paws are looking in silver color. So it shows the repetition of the word, and it emphasizes the word so that we can imagine it very clearly. Can you think of parallel scene of dawn or evening when everything is slipped in golden light? Yes, we can imagine it. The same landscape appear different at different time. What message can we draw from this? From this we can draw a message that nothing is permanent in this world. Change is important in the world. The landscape changes according to the light from the sky in this poem, and the poem makes us to look at the ordinary moonlight in different way. The message we can draw from this is how in different situation we might perceive the same scene completely different. That means as the circumstances changes, situation changes, the same thing we can see that it is change. So it means we can create our own thinking according to it. So that is all about the poem and the workshop. If you have any difficulty, do write in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it, like it.